In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use full screen mode in OneNote. If you've ever felt cramped by menus and side panels while trying to focus on your notes, full screen mode is the quickest way to clear the clutter and give yourself more room to think. It's perfect for studying, sketching, or presenting your notes without distractions. There are two simple ways to enter full screen. First, look to the top right corner of OneNote and find the small diagonal arrow icon. Clicking that instantly hides the ribbon and the navigation panes, so your notebook page can expand edge to edge. If you prefer a keyboard shortcut, press F11 to achieve the same result. On some laptops, F11 may be a secondary key, so you might need to hold the function key while pressing F11. Either approach gets you to the same clean, focused view. Once you're in full screen, you'll notice that the ribbon and navigation are out of sight, but you're not stranded. A simplified, floating toolbar remains available so you can still access your most important writing tools. This compact bar keeps essentials like pens, highlighters, and the eraser at your fingertips without taking over the page. It's designed for quick, fluid note-taking, especially if you're using a stylus or switching between inking and typing. This streamlined setup is all about maximizing your note-taking space. With the navigation and ribbon hidden, you can concentrate on content, whether that's typing long-form notes, drawing diagrams, or annotating images. It's also excellent for meetings and classes, where you want your notes to be front and center rather than competing with menus. If you prefer using the mouse, the diagonal arrow icon is a reliable, visual way to move in and out of this distraction-free view. If you're a keyboard-first person, F11 gives you a fast, muscle memory method to switch modes on the fly. Both options work consistently, so choose what feels natural in your workflow. A quick note on what you'll see. The floating toolbar stays lightweight on purpose. It keeps the focus on your page while ensuring you can change pen styles, adjust thickness, or erase as you go. Think of it as a minimal control panel that follows you without getting in your way. That's all there is to it. Click the diagonal arrow or press F11 to hide the ribbon and navigation and enjoy a clean, open canvas with a handy floating toolbar for pens and tools. Use it whenever you need space and focus, and let your notes take center stage.